and welcome to this video tutorial. I am Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-column document in Microsoft Word. Stick around till the end. For example, to divide this document into 2 columns, select the text up to where you want it. Okay. After selecting, then click on Layout. From Layouts, click on Columns. Now we have options to choose simply from here 2 or 3, but if you want more control on the columns as well as you want to increase the number, click on More Columns. Now I want to divide this one into 2 columns, so I will select 2. But also I want to control the spacing between the columns. The spacing can be changed here. For example, to make the spacing 1.5 centimeter, I will type 1.5 centimeter. Now this has divided the document into 2 columns, as you can see. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.